What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. This is the day you guys have been waiting for. Today we are installing the cam in this thing. So we got everything laid out right here. CHE training upgrade kit, camshaft, the hardened push rods, head bolts, valve springs, head gaskets, and we're all good to go. Huge shout out to Nick. He's going to be helping us with the cam swap. He's got a twin turbo C6 Corvette. That's pretty nasty. Twin turbo C6 Corvette. Oh shit. Just put a cam in it.
Yep.
And that thing's pushing by like over 1,000. So
just about there, 1,100 wheelish.
Nasty. So he's gonna help put the cam in. We're getting a head start. We already got most of the plastic things out of the way. We're gonna start taking the coil packs off, but for now we need to actually move the car over so we can get it right on the lift. All right, so without further ado, let's get it adjusted onto the lift. Let's get started. This will be the last start you'll hear without it being cammed. So here we go. Alright, we're locked and loaded. What's the first thing we're doing?
We're gonna go ahead and drain the coolant and take off all this stuff.
Sweet. Alright, we're moving pretty quick. We already got the valve covers off. What? On this side? What's next?
After the valve covers, get the front drive belt assembly off, water pump, and then start taking the headers.
Taking the headers off. Actually, we can go ahead and get a head start and taking these out. Ow. Hot. Alright, so it looks like to take the belt off, you gotta take the bolt off the alternator and then kind of slide it to the left. The belt should come right off.
There it is.
Got it? Pain in the butt. Alright, so got that off. We're gonna get these lifters ready for the install. Got the lifters here. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging and put it in the oil and let it sit. Got them in there, looking good. Alright, let's cover it so nothing gets in there and let it sit. Another update, we got the direct injection out. Where is that? Oh, over here?
On the table. Left side's over there, right side's on that.
So got this taken out. We got the valve cover sitting there. Working on the other side. We just got the alternator off in the belt, and then you're gonna take the valve cover off on that side.
There we go. So stop.
We got our lifted up on the max jacks. Now we're taking the exhaust off as we speak and draining the coolant right there. All right, got the headers off. What are we working on now?
Taking the water pump out and all the belt drives so we can get to the crank.
Just like that. We've been struggling with this for I don't even know how long. There are 2 bolts back here for the wire harness. That is such a pain in the booty. It's like the 215's holding it in right there. Tell them how you feel about it.
Sucked. Do not recommend.
got this side off. Now we're taking this side off. Bare bones.
That's DoD.
Oh. So
The one that I just dropped is non-DoD.
boom, so I'm guessing we're plugging these right here with that thing.
Yep, that's exactly what we're plugging. If you look at this is a really good indicator of what we're doing. That's what I'm named by. It's not just a cover. It's,
oh wow.
It's got all kinds of intricate solenoids.
You just literally put it in?
You tap them in. Hear that nice little change in pitch?
Done, done, done. Get that DoD out of here. You can see the cam from here too.
Yep. Overall, looks pretty normal wear-wise. It's got a nice center line within all of them.
Nothing scored too bad?
No, but there is definitely indicators that the DoD was starting to get a little unhappy.
Really?
Just a little bit of excessive wear on some of these lobes.
Yeah.
Some uneven patterns. So it's definitely good that we're getting this out of here.
Just like that. This is where we are at right now. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night and pick it right back up tomorrow. So, see you guys in the next clip tomorrow. Alright, it's day number 2 and we're getting straight into it. What are we working on now?
We are about to lower the subframe.
So that is what we are working on down below. And then that way we can have access to the cam behind.
Okay. As I say.
Just like that. Good God. Sheesh. Cam is out. Out with the old. How's the scoring and everything?
Honestly, not terrible.
Pretty healthy. In with the new. Slewed her up. And just to show you guys what the cam and the cam specs are on the cam. Focus, focus. There we go. Time to put her in. She's in there. So this is where we're gonna end it for tonight. We got the cam installed. Still got things we gotta do and take care of. We still gotta do the valve springs. We're gonna do that tomorrow. We had to buy a tool to decompress and compress all of that, so that comes in tomorrow and we can take care of that. Gotta start putting all this in. Basically we got everything out and now we are gonna start putting everything back together. So we got the cam, the brand new cam from GPI that is inside. From here, we're just gonna start putting everything back together and start wrapping things up. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, day 3. Got the lifters on there. This is day, I don't even know. But we got the lifters going in. We got the cam bolt in there, torqued it to, what was the number, 45, and then the 90 degrees extra. And then, so now we're working on the lifters. He got the heads done. Got the valve springs in there, looking so good. All that is ready to go. Boom. Alrighty, we're getting somewhere. Now we just start putting everything back together. And then we're done. Get that first start up for y'all. We got the head gasket right there. I guess that is what is up next. Throw that on there just like that. We got the heads right there. We're throwing that on the block right now.
I just need the harness out of the way. There it is. Pinching on that top piece. There it is.
Just like that. The head is on there. Throwing the head bolts on there. Just threw the push rods in there. He already went ahead and threw in the trunnion upgrade kit, the CHEs. Got all of them in the box, already ready to go. Just like that. Throwing the valve cover on now. We went ahead and installed the harmonic balancer.
So all that's left is oil pan, subframe, starter,
wiring,
water pump,
injectors,
easy
intake
shit.
manifold, yeah.
Easy stuff.
As you can see, it is the next day. It is a mess in this garage, but we got things almost all wrapped up, ready to go. We are working on the cold air intake as we speak. We got the valve covers on, we got the intake manifold in, we got the fan back on, we put all the bolts back in, we got the oil pan back on, harmonic balancer, the belt. It's looking like it's almost a wrap. We still got to put the exhaust back on and do the fuse box. And then this goes there and connect the two. And then we should be chopping. Should we leave the exhaust open when we start this thing or what?
Open.
Open X pipe.
Open for the win.
The only reason why I don't want to do that, you guys, is because if I hear it with the open X pipe, I'm not going to want to run the mufflers. So it's going to be like, it's going to sound amazing, and I'm going to not want to run the mufflers. So we'll see how it sounds. It's going to be really loud. How loud do you think it's going to be? Pretty rowdy?
Fucking rowdy.
Current update. Got the cold air on. Got all the lines on. Just did the coil wires. That one's kind of messed up, so I'm going to have to get a new one of those, but everything is all in, ready to go. We got the exhaust on there as well. And we're gonna do it, and we're gonna leave it with the X pipe open, so we can hear what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna be pretty rowdy. Thankfully, it's raining and thunderstorming, so our neighbors will think that you know, when we start the car, it'll be thunder. So last thing we gotta do is do the fuse box, and then we're all done, right?
Yep. Fuse box, coolant, oil.
And then we're done. Holy crap, guys! Everything is all wrapped up.
Check and make sure there are no fuel leaks or anything like that. I'm gonna prime that.
Okay, so we got coolant in, we got the oil in, everything is wrapped up, ready to go. Oh yeah, true. Alright, we got the keys. There you go, sir. Oh!
Ready for its first start?
No.
Now or never.
Dude, hold on, this is gonna be loudish. Wait. Where do I stand? Dude, this is about to be loud, bro.
Ready?
Not really. Hold on, let me get a good angle, bro. Alright, we're good. First start. Here we go.